Okay guys, so a Shopify course without mentioning Oberlo is perhaps not a bona fide Shopify course. All right, so here we go. Now, Oberlo is a very well-known Shopify product, probably the best known, I would imagine. And it's an app. We haven't covered apps, but basically it's an add-on to your store. And what it enables you to do is to add products automatically, okay, particularly from a site called AliExpress. Now, the reason I'm diving into this in huge details because this course is focused on people using Shopify for all kinds of things, and Oberlo is very much focused on drop shipping. That's what it's all about. So basically, when I'm on AliExpress, just go back there again now, I can browse around, right? Men's clothing, jackets, for example. And Oberlo enables me, this is what this little feature is here coming up, to basically in one click add this particular jacket, just for example, to my store. All right. So Oberlo doesn't just stop there. In fact, it's not just for importing products, but it can also, to a certain extent, automate the order fulfillment process. Okay, so it's incredibly powerful. And if you're into drop shipping, then please check out my other courses and I dive into this product in detail. But for the moment, just for the sake of this lecture and this course, just be aware of Oberlo.